Due to the current conflict situation between India and China, looks like Japan is in full swing to safeguard its territory. In one of my previous videos, we saw that Japan has suspended the process of deploying two United States-made Aegis Ashore air defense systems, which is designed to detect and counter ballistic missiles. According to the reports, the halting is due to technical issues as well as cost issues. The two proposed radar sites, one in the northern prefecture of Akita and the other one in Yamaguchi prefecture in southern Japan, had also faced opposition from local residents. Even according to the latest developments, Japan announced the completion of deploying an upgraded Patriot Missile Segment Enhancement or MSE interceptors at 4 different locations throughout the country earlier this month. And as per the latest update, Japan is increasing its air defense and will be implementing the Patriot PAC-3 MSE air defense missile system, which is going to be deployed at 4 military bases by June 2020 end tentatively. US and Japan news has cited that the PAC-3 MSE is capable of countering any hit-to-kill missiles. The current Patriot PAC-3 deployed in Japan has a maximum range of 70 kilometers and has been increased to 100 kilometers in the new version of PAC-3 MSE. In December 2017, Lockheed Martin signed a $944 million contract to deliver the Patriot Advanced Capability -3 and PAC-3 Missile Segment Enhancement missiles to the United States and allied countries. The upgraded PAC-3 MSE increases its firepower as well as increases its height and performance. The PAC-3 MSE is a high-velocity interceptor that detects incoming threats well in advance. So this includes the tactical ballistic missiles, the cruise missiles, and aircrafts. The missile uses hit-to-kill technology, which detects threats through kinetic energy. So that was all about the update regarding Japan trying to deploy the latest PAC-3 MSE missile defense system around its 4 military bases. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.